用意スタート。
We're gonna put some wood to cover here. There's some gaps in here.
うん。
So they have some scrap wood. They have like this size and this size. So I think it'll be perfect.
Yes. Try it. おお。So we are gonna screw
I think so. Like a
drill in.
yeah.
How about other side? Oh.
Be my friend.
Oh.
Hey, we don't have to nail it.
Right.
Okay.
いいね。OK。もうちょっと OK。Yes. Can I see? いいね。いいね。よし。
Maybe like here.
I think it's gonna crack though.
Oh, okay, stop. We'll just put some wood glue over it and pretend that never happened.
ここに合わせるとこの角度になっちゃうし、こうするとここが当たっちゃうな。難しいですね。
I'm gonna look at what other people did.
It didn't mean anything. But maybe later.
Maybe later.
ね。目きれいね。
Almost. Coco. Right here. Should be cut. Okay. We cut these to put here and there. And this one has like a little hole for this cord here. Demo, we don't have a bandsaw. We only have a jigsaw.
Yeah.
So it's really ugly.
Yeah.
And this, we don't have any more of this wood. And you can only buy it in a pack, and we don't need an entire pack. So, we kind of want like putting nature around it.
Yeah, to hide.
Hide the ugly.
Hide the yeah.
Yeah.
じゃあね。I see you from mirror. なんでいいじゃん。ここだけね。ここは今から飾り付けでカバーします。
I think I have to go like really slow.
いいねでも。Looks good.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4 spots that have space for a screw. So we're gonna take these, drill a hole. Hopefully these will work to put this here.
Deきた。
Yeah. just need to go ここ、あそこ。And it's not, it doesn't feel as stable as this side, so we're wondering if it should go like rest on here and then sit diagonally, or if we should make it straight and then have like an awkward gap or like put it here. So maybe we should try diagonally, because I think even if we cut it diagonally, if we then put the diagonal angle down here, it will be straight. So let's just do that. Thank you.
Does it fit?
Perfect.
Perfect? いい？
Thank you.
よっしゃ。
あ、
え？
やばい。
何？
マジでやばい。
なんで？
Like a whole inch.
Why?
I don't know.
Right side. On your right.
完璧です。
これは斜めに切ってここにはまるように。おー、いいね。スクリーンド。やばいよ。ねえねえ。ねえねえ。うんと
これも
はい。はい。
This is our like lowest storage because this is where like the chair was before, the back seat for your feet to go. And now this will have our fridge, our water, and probably the Jackery battery.
I think it's because of here. You know? Sandpaper?
Yeah, maybe.
The bottom.
Yeah.
Go.
Hello. It's my job. Me and all the dust. I can only reach 2.
Yeah, it's okay.
Legs. Okay, that's the only one I can reach.
Good?
Oh, I can do it here now.
Oh. つけていきます。Could you show me that you open it? いいね。
お腹減った。Okay, yeah, you stay on that side. I'm gonna hand this to you. Okay, can you put it down? Next to it, yeah.
Yes 頑張って。
This is the sale section.
50
14
Yes
すごい。床を張ってきます。This is the floor we got. I think it's like vinyl. It's really thick.
Gyome and your two shot.
My friend.
It's gonna be like this.
Yes.
So good. いいね。Nice. Good job.
Can you give me a piece of wood, please?
Wood?
Yeah, like this big.
Can't read it.
Your face.
あとちょっと。ああ、I didn't go well.
Oh.
切りました。はい。
I want to do at least one more here, because this side won't have, like that side will be stapled, so and maybe one more here.
そう。
So we start up here. Okay. Hi. Okay.
いい？OK、いいね。
So.
We already did you start filming?
Yes.
Shit. I feel like it's a little too long.
Oh, should we cut a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're not gonna be drilling with one
Oh,
hand,
sh-
though. Yay!
Okay.
Wow.
ここ 前つけたけど一回取ってこの上からつけました。でいきます。ジャキーン。いいね。うい。
ただ。My finger was right there. Hey, I did it.
無理だ。いいね。やる。Maybe a little bit.
But try putting that on. I think that's good.